Check it out. Freestyle right here for me and my bro.
They ain't even know it, man.
MWG.
All day.
We've been through everything together. Some shit y'all don't even know. And fuck them haters, straight
Fuck
up.
'em. Y'all will never understand what the fuck we been through.
Look. If you ain't got a man, come fuck with us.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to fall in love, but how can you trust when they don't believe shit? They just gotta fucking see that shit. But when the shit happens, you don't know what to do. You kinda get controlled and you kinda get confused. But I will never change.
Nah.
I'm gonna stay the same.
Tell 'em.
Ever since about 4 years ago, I moved in with my nigga, yeah, that's my fucking bro. We went to fucking school and we had a lot of hoes. Seen these niggas change, try to copy all our clothes.
What?
Y'all niggas hate on me, but I don't even know why. You can't play on me.
Nah.
That's why I gotta stay high, but I had to quit smoking all that weed. I did it for my daughter, cause I know what she needs. She needs a lot of food, she needs a lot of diapers. The niggas get high, but I just stay higher. And I got God on my side, and my niggas always down to ride. And if I broke down, he stays by my side till I fucking die.
But it's alright, cause everybody fucks up. And everybody wanna say good luck, but they don't ever wanna see you make it up. They say you ain't really had enough,
What?
or you can't trust,
No.
or you can't love, because everybody wanna use that shit against you. They tryna protect you,
For real.
but then they neglect you,
What?
and then they don't accept you. But I don't really give a fuck.
Nah.
Me and my nigga going up. That's why we gon' blow up. Because this music is what we love.
It's what I fucking love.
Love.
And I cannot have trust. You can't spell trust without us. And that's just fucking lust.
Lust.
And I love my baby girl, because she is my world. And I love my girl too, even though we always fight every single night. Man, that shit is not right.
Damn.
I don't wanna talk about that, cause if I talk about that, you gon' judge me and try to fucking win back.
Everybody wanna talk, but when you're in their face, they just fucking walk.
Real.
Nobody wants to be real, but every time you ask me how I feel, I say I've been through too much. I don't even know what's love. Sometimes you got to forget, and then you always regret.
We ain't done.
Man, niggas don't even know, man. We ain't done.
This is off the head, man.
Off the
I
motherfucking
don't
head.
give a fuck if I fuck up. Everybody
In my
fucking
zone.
freestyle.
Man, me and my nigga, we been through too much. Everybody wants to talk, but they don't even know what the fuck we've been through. Y'all niggas gonna talk like you know us, but you don't know shit, man. Y'all don't know shit. Y'all might know my name, but you don't know my fucking story.
Damn.
Real talk. Seeing my family struggle, that shit just makes me want to go harder, man.
Seeing all my family struggle, man.
We made a promise. We gonna put them at the top.
Even y'all too. All of our people that support us, y'all gonna go to the top with us too.
Hell yeah.
But a lot of niggas changed over money, man. Get it? Changed over money. Like, I did so much for somebody, man. And
They don't appreciate shit, man.
And now you're looking stupid.
You look dumb as fuck. You ain't got shit now. You lost everything.
When we blow up, you're gonna be fucking regretting everything you did.
Y'all have no idea, man. No fucking idea what we've been through.
I'd like to put an amend on, perhaps a little
We
more.
gonna turn up real quick though.
Vixens. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh, we're gonna have a lot of vixens. We're gonna have so many fucking vixens up in this motherfucker. This shit's gonna go through the roof. Ooh, God damn, I'm shitting gold these days.
Yeah.
Jello and Lou. Tell him.
Jello and Lou. It's Jello and Lou. Jello and Lou. Your friend coming too. I tell them that they gon' top, but don't know what we've been through.
They don't even know what we've been through.
Nah.
You gotta read into all this shit we putting out. Nigga, I be in them clouds. Yeah. Nigga, we made it. And niggas gon' talk and yeah, they hate it.
Hey.
I'm playing the game, you niggas ain't played it.
Nah.
Right now, a nigga so faded. I come to the crib and to show where I live. She coming real quick with some Cheetos and shit. Niggas just high, don't even know.
Nah.
I'm spitting everything off of the dome. Drop that top and get that cash. My car is coming soon and last. This money always comes and goes.
It goes.
Just like these fucking dumb hoes. It's Jello and Lou. We kick it like Kung Fu. I fucked up, but I don't know what to do.
I said, nigga, we made it. They talking, I guess they hating. But I don't really give a fuck. They say that you can't have enough. But I'ma fucking get it all. I swear you'll never see me fall. That's why you pussy niggas crawl. I see y'all shitting in your drawers. Every time I come around. When we talk, you wanna put us
That
down.
makes me wonder why the hell so many people are trying to tell me to slow down. Seems like motherfuckers should be shutting the hell up and enjoying the show.
Yeah, for real. Now let me go back in. All I wanna do is win. Nah, I never do pretend.
Never.
And I don't really have no friends.
None.
Cause all I got is family. That's why I'm living happily. But actually, why you niggas mad at me?
Because you broke sitting on the fucking couch. She drink me up like she just had a pouch. I'ma get some real shit. Like a murderer, we kill shit. Get it poppin' on some pill shit. You broke down, you need a hill, bitch. Stomping down like some hills, bitch. But I ain't high, I'm not on hills, bitch. A nigga just speaking real. I wonder how y'all get a fucking deal. You don't even put it out. Nigga, what we talking about? I'm coming real quick. Me and my niggas, we taking your bitch and we smoking that piff, rolling that shit and I hop in the whip. And my nigga, he be driving real quick. Don't got a license, but we don't care. We staying lit.
That's why I'm way too faded. Woo. That's why my bitch X-rated.
Rated.
That's why you still hating. But nah, I never did forgave him.
Never.
And I don't really like to, because I don't like you. I just wanna fight you.
Why?
But your girl wife you. Why? Cause you the fucking bitch, man. You're a fucking glitch, man. I don't really see your face.
No.
But every time you talk, you hate. But never said it to our faces.
Never.
Put you in your fucking places. But now I got to escape, because I'm in a higher estate.
Yeah. And you just broke as a joke. I throw up a sign of hope. Broke as a joke, that's just why we laughing funny.
Ha.
And you don't even got no money.
Ha.
My nigga made you look stupid. Had your bitch and shot her up like Cupid.
And you ain't even got no excuses. That's why you still losing.
The only thing I'm seeing I'd like to put in a...
Nigga. Man.
I wanna hit on it so bad.
It's Sam Dub. Jello right here.
Lou right
You already
here.
know what it is.
Fly boy.
Man, I'm finna stop this shit. Y'all niggas already know what's good. We finna put on for y'all, I promise. That's a fucking promise, man. We told y'all we had a dream, and we gonna fucking chase it.
Wait, let me hit him with this.
Man, let me hit it with this and that. You gay, that's a fact. You're a bitch with no ass. Ha!
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
All straight off the dome. You ain't even know. M-Dub is all I know.
Y'all don't understand what we talking about.
Nah.
Nigga, I'm the man, what you talking about?
Bow.
No, we ain't fam, what you talking about?
Bow.
All those fucking grams we were coughing out.
Ha.
And every time we came, we were rolling up. No, we can't chill, you ain't cold enough.
Nah.
And no, we can't fuck, you ain't know enough.
Nah.
You can ask your girl, bet she know what's up. Coming through with that shit. Me and my bro stay lit. Pass it real quick. Pain Manning in this bitch. Whoa. I'ma reach my go. And I will never, ever sell my soul.
No. I will never sell my soul.
What?
Us blowing up is a go.
Go.
Getting money, that is all I know.
No.
But I will never keep my eyes closed, because I see everything. You wanna be everything, but right now you are nothing. But take that nothing, turn it into something. And y'all don't even know me.
No.
But you're gonna hate me.
Hey.
Why you fucking hating?
Why?
It's me that you're not facing.
Never could say it to our face.
Nah.
Read my fucking story and flip the page. Then see what we talking about. And no, you ain't talking about
nothing.
Alright, I'm done.
It's nothing. Y'all bluffing. Nigga, come up with something. Killed it, nigga. And you don't even know. It's some dub. Jello right here, I'm out.
Music, wisdom, grace, throw it in your face.
In your face. Y'all nothing. Nothing.